Environmental Sustainability. Introduction to the documentary. This documentary explores sustainability practices in Malaysian universities. Sustainability has become a critical global issue due to challenges such as climate change, environmental degradation, and resource depletion. Universities play an important role in promoting sustainability by shaping students' values while serving as spaces where sustainable practices can be implemented and observed. What is sustainability in higher education? Sustainability in higher education refers to the integration of environmental responsibility, social awareness, and long-term planning into universities' operations and education. Rather than focusing only on environmental protection, sustainability in universities also involves education, research, and daily campus practices. This approach allows universities to function as living laboratories for sustainable development. Why focus on universities? Universities play a unique role in society as they educate future leaders, professionals, and decision makers. Through teaching, research, and campus operations, universities influence how sustainability is understood and practiced. By promoting sustainability on campus, universities can create long term impacts that extend beyond the university environment. Purpose and the focus of our documentary. This purpose of our documentary is to examine how sustainability is implemented in Malaysian universities in practice. We focus on three key areas: campus sustainability initiatives, academic and research contributions, and student engagement. Through this documentary, we aim to identify current efforts, highlight challenges, and explore how higher education contributes to building a more sustainable future.
Here are the strategies for environmental sustainability. Firstly, resource efficiency. Improve efficiency through better design, technology, and processes. Secondly, water sustainability. Rainwater harvesting and greywater reuse. Efficiency, irrigation, and water-saving fixtures. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle from a hierarchy of sustainability practices aimed at minimizing environmental impact, reducing focuses on cutting resources use and waste at the same time through efficient design, mindful consumption, and durable materials, making it the most efficient strategy. Reuse extends the lifespan of products and materials by repurposing them, reducing the needs for new resource extraction and preserving embodied energy. Recycle involves process waste into new materials, helping to divert waste from landfills and conserving raw resources. Although it requires energy and it is less effective than reducing and reusing. By prioritizing reduction first, followed by reuse and then recycling, societies can significantly lower waste generation, conserve natural resources, and support long-term environmental sustainability. The need for environmental sustainability. Reduce, reuse, and recycles are essential for environmental sustainability as they address the growing pressure on natural resources and ecosystem caused by human consumption. Reducing limits resource extraction and pollution by minimizing waste and energy at the source. Reuse prolongs the life of materials and products, lowering demand for new raw materials and reducing environmental degradation. Recycle helps manage unavoidable waste by converting it into new resource, decreasing landfill use, and conserving the finite materials. The practice of reduce, reuse, and recycle is necessary to protect the environment, conserve resources, and ensure sustainable development for future generations.
For this slide, we focus on academic integration in Malaysian universities. Sustainability is not just about building a green space. Universities integrate sustainability directly into the curriculums. Students study subjects like environmental studies, renewable energy, green technology, and sustainability development. They learn through assignment, projects, and case study, which help them understand how knowledge can be applied to solve real environmental issues on campus and in society. Next, we focus on research. Malaysian universities conduct studies on climate change, energy efficiency, waste management, and water resources. Those research projects aim to find particular solutions that benefit both the campus and the community. Natural areas like Tasik UM act as living laboratories. Students can observe ecosystem, water quality, and the effect of human activity on nature. This helps them connect what they learn in class with real-world sustainability challenge, encourage awareness and responsibility. Besides learning and research, students' engagement is very important. Students are active participants in sustainability programs such as recycling, camping, pre-planning, environment clubs, and community outreach. Those activities help students develop teamwork, leadership, and responsibility. By participating, they help create a culture of sustainability on campus while preparing themselves for the future. In conclusion, sustainability in university is built through education, research, and student involvement. Those programs prepare students to become responsible future leaders who can contribute to greener, smarter, and more sustainable campuses. Together, universities and students can create a better environment.
In this part, I will discuss the main challenges faced by Malaysian universities in implementing sustainability practices. Firstly, limited funding is a major barrier. Many sustainability initiatives, such as installing solar panels or upgrading to energy-efficient buildings, require high initial investment. As a result, universities often prioritize academic or operational needs over green projects. Secondly, there's low awareness and engagement among some students and staff. Although sustainability programs exist, not everyone consistently practices energy saving, recycling, or waste reduction in daily campus life. This reduces the overall effectiveness of sustainability efforts. Lastly, inconsistent policy implementation also slows progress. Different faculties or campuses may follow sustainability policies differently, and in some cases, monitoring and enforcement are weak. These challenges show that sustainability is not only a technical issue, but also involves behavior, awareness, and governance. Looking ahead, Malaysian universities are moving towards several important future directions to strengthen sustainability efforts. One key goal is achieving carbon-neutral campuses. This can be done by increasing the use of renewable energy, such as solar power, improving building efficiency, and reducing overall carbon emissions on campus. Another important direction is the development of smart campus system. By using digital technologies, universities can monitor electricity, water usage, and waste management more effectively. This allows data-driven decision-making and improves resource efficiency. In addition, stronger sustainability governance and partnerships are essential. Clear policies, long-term planning, and collaboration with government, industry, and non-governmental organizations can help ensure sustainability initiatives are consistent and long-lasting. These future directions highlight a shift from small individual actions to more systematic and long-term solutions. In conclusion, Malaysian universities play a vital role in shaping a sustainable future. Universities are not only places for teaching and learning, but also platforms that educate future leaders about sustainability. Through research and innovations, universities contribute to the development of green technologies and sustainable solutions. Beyond the campus, universities also influence the wider community by promoting sustainable lifestyles and supporting national sustainability goals. Overall, through education, innovation, and active student involvement, universities act as catalysts for positive environmental and social change. Therefore, sustainable campuses are an important step towards building a greener and more resilient society for Malaysia and beyond. So that's all from our group. Thank you for your attention. Bye.